How to add email accounts to Windows 11. Adding email accounts to your computer makes it easy to access and manage your email right from your desktop. So let's get started. To add an email account to Windows 11, click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and select Settings. Then click on Accounts from the left-hand menu. In the account settings, click on Email and Accounts from the right-hand menu. Then click on Add Account under the Accounts used by Email, Calendar and Contacts section. Windows 11 supports various email providers like Outlook, Google, Yahoo and others. Select the email provider that you want to add and enter your email address and password. Then click Sign In to proceed. You can also add Microsoft account from here. After your signing, you can configure your email settings like syncing option, calendar and contact setting and notification. You can also add more email accounts by clicking on Add Another Account and repeating the steps. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily add email accounts to Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.